In today's video, we are diving into the world of Nutanix, the powerful hyper-converged infrastructure platform that's transforming data centers around the globe. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for easy to follow tech and software tutorials. So whether you're an IT admin, system engineer, or just curious about simplifying your virtual infrastructure, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Nutanix. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Nutanix. On the top corner, there is an option for you to click on the test drive. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. You have an option to click on the launch test drive, which give you this option. All you have to do is provide all the information needed. Okay, you can continue with your email, and then you will be forwarded to the main platform of the Nutanix test drive. As you can see, you can build your clouds your way in a few clicks, instantly complete all your IT tasks in a unified cloud platform. So, there is an option here to modernize your data center using the Nutanix cloud platform. As you can see, there's going to be a drop-in menu here wherein you can extend by 2 hours or end. If you want to connect it, click on the purple button. It's connecting right now to the Nutanix cloud platform. It may take a while, so while waiting for it, we're going to explore on the following sections here. Now, you have the cloud infrastructure. This is going to be the Nutanix ability to offer private, public, and hybrid cloud environments because it enables organizations to build and manage scalable cloud infrastructure using the Nutanix software stack. While the cloud management right here is going to be your tools to service and manage workloads, monitor, and automate operations across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Of course, one of the key products of Nutanix is the Nutanix Prism. We're going to deal with that later. It offers centralized management for infrastructure, performance, monitoring, and analytics. Of course, the database here is going to be a section where it simplifies the database lifecycle management, provisioning, patching, cloning, backups for databases like Oracle, SQL Server, and a lot more. The unified storage is a software-defined solution that consolidates block, file, and object storage in a single platform. So you have like Nutanix unified storage that supports multiple data types for different workloads and access methods. The hybrid cloud combines on-premises infrastructure with public cloud resources for flexibility, cost optimization, and workload mobility. Because Nutanix allows a seamless app and data portability between environments using tools like Nutanix clusters. Of course, the cloud native is going to be an option for you to support the modern application architectures like containers and microservice, enabling easy deployment and operation of containerized applications. You see, there's going to be another section here. You have two of them, right? But it's like basically the first tab refers to the explore test drives by solutions. And of course, the other one is going to be test drives by Nutanix products. Now, you see that if it's not connecting, you can extend by 2 hours if you want. All right. Now it's extending the life cycle for the test drive. At this point, it's very important to know that you need to use a VPN if you're having issues accessing the website. Right? Now, the Nutanix cloud platform has been extended. As you can see it from here, from 3 hours, now it becomes like almost 4 hours. And you can end it by clicking on this small button here. Ending test drive, so that we will know you have the ability for the workload mobility. So again, if you're having issues, use a VPN or virtual protocol network because that could interfere with the connection, and make sure you are connected to an active internet. Okay, because otherwise the loading and testing the drive here in Nutanix is not going to be able to proceed. Let's wait for it a little bit. Now, since we don't have any active test drives assigned, we might want to go to the main homepage of Nutanix, because I'd like to test an application here on the resources tab. You see that you can try the tool to understand the environmental footprint effects of IT infrastructure decisions. If you click that, you will be forwarded here. All right. So what will happen is you can select the use case. For example, it's going to be virtual desktops or VDI, or cloud native KNS, databases, or general virtualized applications, depending on your preferences. For now, we're going to be choosing the virtual desktops or VDI. If you do, you need to put in the virtual machines. For example, we have like that, and the data center PUE. So we're going to put some values here, and you need to select the location, because otherwise, right, so let's say select location. We are located here in United States, and then after that you can click the request report. All right, so one of the sales expert will provide an in-depth report about the carbon and power estimator that you have provided from any of the following. Again, you can choose from the general virtualized applications, databases, virtual desktops, and cloud native KNS. And of course, you can put in a different value for the data center PUE. And of course, the location will matter, because depending on your region or location, the data can change. Hey, with that being said, and that's a wrap on using Nutanix. From setting up your environment to navigating Prism and managing your virtual infrastructure, you're now well on your way to harnessing the full power of hyper-converged infrastructure. So, Nutanix delivers simplicity, scalability, and efficiency in a single platform. So if you're looking for enterprise-grade performance without the headaches of traditional infrastructure, Nutanix is absolutely worth considering. If you have any questions or want a deeper dive into a specific Nutanix feature, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And hey, if you love tech tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay efficient, and keep building smarter.